Mm, Yes. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. Good,
Good
ma'am,
morning. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am. In Thursday, Friday, I think, right, ma'am?
Mm,
In
mm,
Friday, I wasn't there. I have a wedding, so
mm,
I wanted to leave. I was thinking to go to the car and take the class, but
mm.
my laptop charger will be finished very fast. So that's why I didn't join the class.
Yeah. Okay.
They
So
confirmed you and my
the office also.
yeah.
You told, yeah. Then we will consider it informally. Okay.
Okay.
Sabah, Hishan, Satavan. Sabah, you there? Ishan?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ishan, are you there? Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes. Are you using mobile phone or your laptop?
Mobile.
What happened, Ishan?
My laptop that doesn't know.
It's not
So
working
I use my
now?
mobile. No, just
I think if we have any genuine reason, we will allow to do that. But otherwise, we can't allow. What is your real reason, Aisha?
okay.
You just go and take that.
Okay.
Otherwise, we want to inform that. Yes. Yes, how was your weekend, everyone?
Good, bad. Loved it. Good.
Okay. I think Ryan Joshi and Imran, them. Anyone
Fatiha.
else? Zahra or Fatiha? Excuse me. Second. Emergency class adjustments are. Sito. Ah, you can talk. Hi, Fatiha. Samna. Who was the leader? Last day we selected one person as a leader.
It was Sabah. Me.
Ah, yeah. When we selected, it's on
Last Friday, I think.
last Friday.
No.
So
Oh
I think
yeah.
better to you can continue this week also. From next week onwards, we can change it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't have the talent club.
Yeah, wait. We'll give you this.
Yeah, can you put it now? It's
Why you all sitting silently? You can also lead today's assembly.
Oh,
So please. And Ishan Pratik, I'm giving you a classroom invitation. It's a language club. Please accept the invitation.
okay.
Okay. Come on. Yes, tell me anyway. Ibrahim Hadi.
So the next class is
Ma'am,
club.
Yeah.
next class or what is the next class? Next class is English first is combined.
First English, next is club.
Yeah.
That means talent club or language club. Then after that, recreation and science.
Ma'am, I've joined in English.
With the language, huh? You joined there? How was the time? Oh, yeah, now the time is okay. You can join there all by.
Bye, ma'am.